I'm here today to show you this magnificent 5-bedroom home nestled in 2.5 acres of gardens and grounds. Welcome to Hawe Farm House. As soon as you enter the property, you are instantly hit with its grandeur. Not only do you have this spacious entrance hall, you also have this grand reception hall. Very impressive. The ground floor boasts multiple reception rooms, including a formal dining room and a TV room. I love this beautifully designed drawing room with French doors out to the pool area. This property has recently been fully restored and refurbished to an exceptionally high standard, incorporating the style and comfort of modern living with a really homely country house feel. The kitchen is a fabulous space and has been really well considered. You have built-in Neff appliances, quartz worktops and 2 sinks and 2 dishwashers. You also have this bespoke seating area with fabulous views out to the garden. Upstairs is very spacious with a family bathroom and 5 bedrooms. The current owners have configured the space to ensure that 4 of the bedrooms have their own en-suites. The main bedroom is simply stunning and elegantly designed. You have a dressing area, a traditionally styled ensuite and sensational views across the gardens and grounds. I feel like I'm in a boutique country house hotel right now. Outside is breathtaking. You have so much to explore here. You've got beautiful gardens, woodland, and wrapped around the grounds of the property, you'll find its very own moat. Anyone for a round of doubles? You could play any time you like on this full-size tennis court. This is my idea of heaven. So if you're looking for a magnificent country home with gorgeous gardens and grounds, surrounded by the Kent countryside, but still close to local amenities, then you have to come and see Hawe Farm House. To book your viewing, contact Foundation Estate Agents today.